Go ahead, Mama. You ruined my focus, though. Shoot. Bambi standing there. I came out the front door. He was standing right in front of the house. I scared him back across the road, and now I scared him away altogether. No, he'll just cross through and go over to where the other food is. But he was standing right in front of the house, him and another, either a yearling or a fawn, and I scared him back across the road, but they went just across the road and walked down a little ways and crossed back over, which I'm glad of. But it shocked the heck out of me. He was standing right there in front of my front porch. And a whole other gang are down here. A couple here, a couple there. I guess they were all out here waiting on me to come out. I guess it was dinner time. Sorry guys, was I late? Was I late getting out here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's Bambi is 9. Big Mama, I guess, makes 10. There's another one down below, would make 11. Not sure what scared Mama. Eat up, Bambi. Oh, don't leave, buddy. Eat. Oh, boogers.